Hello, my name is Simona. I'm crochet designer, and in this video I will show you how to add metal handles to the bag that I'm creating. This is the bag that I'm creating. This is the bottom to the top right here, and this is the last round where I will add the metal handles. I know that you will be asking what I'm using to make this bag. I am using 3mm MonoMey Studio macrame cord. This is golden color with shining lurex yarn in it. This cord is perfectly for crocheting, specially designed for crocheting, soft and long lasting. I know that this bag will last forever. So the pattern, how to make it, you can get monomey.com, the link right here. Also, all the information about the materials used, links to the pattern you can find below in the description. So let's get started adding the handles to the bag. Firstly, what we have to do is to start making the round for the handles. So we finished making the bag right here with the combination 3 double crochet in the middle of the hole. Now we'll do 2. This is what we finished. Now we'll do 2 single crochet right here in the middle of the hole. 1 single crochet and another single crochet, just like this. Now we will make 2 regular single crochet in the next 2 stitches. 2 single crochet. And we have the view right here. Now we will make double crochet right here, 2 double crochet in this hole. 1 double crochet and another double crochet also in the same hole. So 2 single crochet in hole, 2 single crochet right here, 2 double crochet in the hole. Now 2 double crochet on the top of these stitches and second double crochet, making each time 2 stitches. Now in the next hole we will make 2 triple crochet stitches. Yarn over twice and pull through 2 loops 3 times. Once again, yarn over twice and pull it through 2 loops, 2 loops and 2 loops. This is how it looks like. So we made 2 triple crochet stitches right here, and now this is the time when we are starting to add the handle. So what we will make, every time before making a stitch we will make single crochet, including the handle. Hold the metal handle and from the back grab the yarn and finish single crochet. This is how it looks like. 2 triple crochet stitches, single crochet with a handle. Now we will make 1 triple crochet stitch in the next stitch, just regular triple crochet. Yarn over twice and finish the stitch like a regular one. Now we have to make single crochet with the handle. Grab the yarn like this and single crochet like this. Now 1 more triple crochet in the next stitch without the handle. What I am doing, making a stitch, then single crochet with a handle, making a stitch, single crochet with a handle, and I will make it all over to the bag. So I made triple crochet stitch. Now I will make single crochet like this, putting the hook from the bottom, 2 loops on the hook and pull it through like this. Now let's make here double crochet. 1 double crochet in the middle of the hole. So double crochet, now single crochet on the handle, like this. 1 more double crochet in the hole, double crochet in the hole, now single crochet on the handle. So we made right here 2 double crochet in the middle of the loop. Now we will make single crochet on the back and single crochet on the handle. This. 1 more time single crochet on the back and single crochet on the handle. And this is the middle of the bag. Now we will start increasing the stitches. So right here we will make 2 double crochet. So double crochet in the loop, single crochet on the handle, double crochet in the loop, double crochet, so yarn over, double crochet in the loop, and single crochet on the handle. This is what we have. So after double crochet we will make triple crochet. So yarn over twice and triple crochet on the bag. Now single crochet on the handle, like this. 1 more triple crochet on the bag, single crochet on the bag. So this is where we will finish adding the handle. We will continue making the same as we did here. So we'll make triple crochet right here in the loop, pull it through 3 times, 1 more time triple crochet right here, like this. Now we'll make double crochet right here on the top, and these 2 stitches, double crochet, second double crochet, like this. Now double crochet in the loop, second double crochet in the loop, and this is what we have. So single crochet, 2 single crochet right here, and 2 single crochet in the loop, and adding the handle is done. You can see the braids are really nice. It will hold up perfectly. It's also in the middle, and now we will repeat the same doing on the other side. So this is what we have, nice and perfect. So what to do next when you finished making this side? Let's turn the work to the other side, and right here we have 3 double crochet. We are skipping this, and in the next loop we're making 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet and second single crochet. This is like narrowing the corners. So on this side and on this side we skipped 3 double crochet. So 2 single crochet in the loop, now 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and now we will repeat the same as we did on this side. So this is 2 single crochet in the loop, 2 regular single crochet, and then repeating the same as you did on adding this handle. And you can see this is the joining, so we can turn this in the middle not to be it visible. So now make the video from the beginning and repeat the same from this side, what we did on that side, on this side too, and use the second handle and your bag will be done. So I hope you liked this video tutorial. Comment below if you have any questions. Follow me on Instagram and enjoy creating and crocheting. Thank you for watching.